Okay, for the first trick, you're going to go into a man and brother mount, man and brother slack. Yeah, you're not going to catch it like this. You're actually going to catch it. You're actually going to catch these two strings and let the slack travel around it. So basically, if you just drop it, it's going to end up into like that. But the slack is going to travel around, and if you drop it, you'll end up into this mount, which if you just drop that, it's like that. And you're going to go into an undermount and bind. It's basically just like this bind. Okay, so what it looks like is this one. Oh. Okay, the second bind is the one that looks like this. Okay, and what you're going to want to work on is the actual motion of whipping it. Okay, it's just a reverse hook whip. Okay, it's the exact same motion, but you're not going to catch it. You're going to guide it into the yo-yo. But one thing that really helped me is I was throwing way too hard, and it would never catch, okay? Now I can get it to catch since I know how to do it, but when I was just starting to learn this, just throw it very, very softly, like enough to get it to bind, but not like any huge, not like anything huge. Okay, so the third bind is basically just a grind, and then you put the string over it, okay, like that, and you throw it up, okay. So now, when you're doing this, you're gonna want to do like we just did with the last one, but you're going to you're gonna actually land it, and then like that, okay. So you're gonna do it. So you're gonna get the ghost bind down. Sorry, you're gonna get the earth bind part down, and then you're going to put your hand in and then grind it. Okay. When it's grinding, you're just gonna toss it up, and it's gonna bind. Okay. Again, you're gonna want to wait till it's slower in speed. Okay. And the final bind looks like this. Okay, so the way you're going to do this is you're going to grind it on your non-throw hand, okay? And for those of you who might not be as experienced, you're just going to want to try and get it to spin for just 1 second, and then you're going to want to work it up to 2, and then 3, and then 4 seconds. Okay, like that. So once you get that, you're going to do the earth part. You're going to get the earth bind part down. And it's basically just the same as the last one, where you throw it up, except you're going to throw it to the side. And like that. So you're just going to grind it. And the slack is going to go into the groove of the yo-yo, just like with that one. And you're going to throw it off. But just literally the only difference is the landing on the other hand.